Now, how to delete movie from movie box. Here, watch till the end to know how to do it. Now, here, click on me here, or just click on this downloading icon here. Just click on download here. Now, here, you can see my movies. Now, here, what you will do now, in order to delete movie, just click on this three light icon on the side here, on the top side here. Now, here, you can see delete. Now, here, you can click this delete, this red, you can see it and delete it. Or also, you can also press the movie you want to delete like this, and then what you do is just click on this delete here, and then click on this delete here again in order to confirm the delete here. As you can see, the movie is successfully deleted. So that's how to do it. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now, see you on the next video. Peace.